Hello and welcome to another GoodX Web training session. In this video, we will show you how to access our online user manual specifically for GoodX Web. Start by opening up the internet browser of your choice. Go to the Learning Center link. The link will be in the description below. You can save the URL as a bookmark to make future navigation easy and quick. Type in your username and password that is provided by GoodX. Click on the Login button. You are now logged into our Learning Center. To access the user manual specifically for GoodX Web, select the course category GoodX Web. Now you can select GoodX Web for Medical and Dental Practices User Manual. You are now logged into the GoodX Web User Manual. Click on a topic to learn more about it and how to use it for your practice. Here is all you need to know about the chosen topic. To log out of the Learning Center, click on your username in the top right corner and click on the Logout option.